Now the third step is going to be, and it doesn't say it here, so I'm going to add this in. And you can add, whoops, don't do that. And you can add this into the step 3. Step 3 is to choose a conversion factor. Now you'll have a chart of conversion factors that are relevant, and you'll need to pick the right one, the one that relates the units that you have to the units that you need. And some examples here, we have 12 inches is 1 foot, or 12 inches is 1 foot. So here it's abbreviated and there it's not. Here, not abbreviated, abbreviated, and you could write it either way. Now the difference between this one and this one is it's been flipped upside down. Do you see that? Let me zoom in. Here we've got the 12 inches on top, and here in this first one we have the 12 inches on top, and in the second one we have the 12 inches on bottom. And that just means that we have flipped it upside down, and that's okay. Sometimes we might need it one way or the other, depending on whether we're going from inches to feet or feet to inches, and that we'll determine that in the next step. Okay. In our 60 seconds and a minute, we've got the same thing going on here. Notice that one is upside down from the other. I can write it that way like this. See how one is flipped and the other. And this little box over here, notice how they're written this way. That can make things confusing. That's why it's written like that. Don't write it this way. This can make it confusing. So if you struggle with math at all and you're not sure about multiplying and dividing and all that kind of jazz, you definitely want to make sure you don't write it on one line like this. You want to write it above and below like these over here, okay?